This is a sample video of number 2 in the notes. I'm given the original equation up here. It says log base 3 of x plus log base 3 of x minus 2 equals log base 3 of x plus 10. In order to solve for the variable x, the first thing I need to do is condense the left side of the equation. Because this is a plus sign, I'm going to use the product property. And I'm going to write these two expressions as one expression and multiply the arguments together. In this step here, I have one log on one side, one log on the other side. They're equal to each other and they both have the same base. So now I can set the arguments equal to each other and say x times x minus 2 equals x plus 10. When I distribute the x minus 2, I get x squared minus 2x equals x plus 10. This is a quadratic equation because there's x to the power of 2, and I need to set it equal to 0. So I subtracted x and 10 from both sides of the equation, and I ended up with x squared minus 3x minus 10 equals 0. Then I factored it. I found factors of negative 10 that add up to negative 3, and I got x minus 5 times x plus 2 equals 0. So the two solutions to this quadratic equation are x equals 5 and x equals negative 2. When I substitute these two answers back into the original problem, x equals negative 2 gives you a negative argument in these two terms. You can't have an argument less than or equal to 0. So the only answer to this problem is x equals 5. My next problem is problem number 6. And in problem number 6 in the notes, you can see it right here. I'm going to hold this up. I took the log base 3 of 10x and then minus 1 equals the log base 5 of 3x minus 1. I had to condense the left side of the equation, but first I had to make a substitution right here. And 1 can be written as log base 5 of 5. Now I have all the same bases, log base 5, log base 5, log base 5. I condensed the left side of the equation by using the quotient rule. And I ended up with log base 5 of 10x over 5 equals log base 3 of 3x minus 1. Then I set the arguments equal to each other because I have the log base 5 of one argument equals the log base 5 of another argument. 10x divided by 5 is 2x. I subtracted 3x from both sides of the equation. I got x equals 1. When I substitute x back into the original problem, all of the arguments are greater than 0. So the x equals 1 is a solution to the problem.